If you want to hide cash on delivery based on pin code in this video, I will tell you how to do it. So for this, I'm using advanced cash on delivery app. You can also use the same app. It's very easy to use. Once installed, click on advanced COD, then limit COD based on location configure button. Now we will select our payment method, cash on delivery. If you want to add fee for cash on delivery, you can just toggle on that button and select your delivery method. So as of now, I don't need it. So I am toggling off this button and click on pin code. Change the status to enabled. Select only block COD for pin codes in the list. You can add multiple zip codes or pin codes. And you can also upload the file of zip and pin codes. And remember to save your changes. Now we will test it on our online store. Go to your online store and add products to your cart. Now I will change the country first to India and just write the pin code here. See here, the COD option is not available for this particular pin code. Now I will try and another pin code for which COD is allowed. Let's try for another. So I am taking this country, United States, and zip code for California. Yeah, here we can see cash on delivery is available for this particular pin code. That's it. You have successfully set up how to hide cash on delivery based on pin code. If you like this video, then do share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching.